Poetry, chapter number 13, A Boy's Song. Question number 1. Why do all the birds belong to the poets? All the birds belong to the poets because he sets no snare. वो कोई जाल नहीं बिछाता for birds, पक्षियों के लिए. He leaves, वे छोड़ देता है the birds, पक्षियों को fly, उड़ने के लिए freely, मुक्त रूप से in the sky. Question number 2. Why are the birds able to come and go for the poet's joy? The birds are able to come and go for the poet's joy because they, from the blue tit to the eagles, are uncaged. Question number 3. Which birds does the poet mention in the poem in the particular? In the poem A Boy's Song, the poet mentions all the birds of the air, but he mentions in the particular blue tit and eagles. Question number next. What does the impression sunward way in the poem mean? In the poem, the expression sunward way means journey towards the sun. The poet is imagination, soar higher and higher and eagle wings. Next 60 to 80 words. How does the poet articulate his views on the birds in the poem A Boy's Song? In the poem A Boy's Song, the poet articulates views on the birds by establishing an emotional bond with them. He shows a tendency towards empathy. Like men, birds are also important manifestations of life. When birds are allowed to fly freely in the open air, they add to the beauty of the nature and joy of the humanity. He soars in the imagination on the eagle wings. He feels blue tit's song in his heart. Why do all the birds, according to the poet, belong to him? What does the birds all suggested to include here? According to the poet, all the birds belong to him because he set no snare for any birds. He leaves them flying free. He keeps them uncaged. He empathizes with birds. He advocates for the freedom of the birds. Summarize the poet's views as expressed in the poem A Boy's Song in your own words. The poet is a bird lover. He advocates for the freedom of the birds. He sets no snare for birds. He loves to watch birds flying free in the air. The flying birds give him delights. He imagines he is journeying towards the sun on the eagle wings. He feels a blue tits in the singing in his heart. Such views the poet expresses. Poet complete.